Hi everybody, so glad that we are getting in touch. We could give you an information about our upcoming project which is marketing by us, our company which becomes a part of you day by day, known as Modern Living Real Estate. It is in South Kolkata. This is the main gate of this flat. The slot of the car parking is already booked, but you can get an open car parking area at a minimal cost. You can fix the rate of this open car parking at the time of booking. The entry gate is the collapsible gate. We are going through the stairs. It is a 2 BHK flat in first floor. Basically starts from the door itself. The spacious flat we are offering you is in Parna Street. Moving forward, if we are talk about, this flat is actually ready to move flat. That's what we are giving you. It is a ready to move flat. Moving forward, I would like to show you the kitchen that we are offering you. We have a kitchen which is separated with all the fittings already done. This is the best thing that you get. The kitchen is very spacious. We now entered the first bedroom. Moving forward, we are entered the first bedroom. We are giving a standard size bedroom. It is a 2 BHK flat. It is an attached toilet. It is a master bedroom. This flat is 878 square feet. This room has an attached balcony. These are the electrical switches. You can use it as your own purpose. This is the space for almirah or wardrobe. This is the master bedroom of this flat. A basin is given here. Moving forward, we also have a common bathroom, basically for your incoming and outgoing guests, and as you can see, all fittings already done. You can fit the geyser here. This is a synthetic door which didn't have any problem when it is get wet. This is the second bedroom. You will get cross ventilation in this room. Two flats are available here, first floor and second floor. This flat is in Porno Street.